Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious iced tea with tea bags. First, choose your favorite tea bags, whether it's black, green, or herbal. Next, heat fresh, cold water to the appropriate temperature for your tea type. Place your tea bags in a heat-proof pitcher or jar, then pour the hot water over them. Allow the tea to steep for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your desired strength. This initial steep creates a concentrated brew. Once your tea is steeped, remove the tea bags and let the concentrate cool down. It's best to let it reach room temperature before chilling further. If you like your iced tea sweet, now is the perfect time to add your sweetener. Sugar, honey, or a sugar substitute will dissolve much better in the warm liquid. For a smooth blend, consider using a simple syrup. After the tea has cooled and sweetened, it's time to dilute it to your preferred strength. Add an equal amount of cold water to your tea concentrate or adjust to taste. For example, if you have 2 cups of concentrate, add 2 cups of cold water. Fill a large pitcher or individual glasses with plenty of ice. Pour the diluted iced tea over the ice, and for a refreshing touch, garnish with lemon slices or fresh mint leaves. For the best iced tea, remember a few key tips. Don't oversteep your tea bags, as this can lead to a bitter taste. 3 to 5 minutes is usually ideal. Feel free to experiment with different types of tea bags like peach, raspberry, or classic black tea to find your favorite. Always store any leftover iced tea in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 2 to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade iced tea.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.